Today we're going to be talking about repairing your garage door opener. Now, this is the old part that had just busted recently on me. This part had worn down to like nothing. You can see that it's practically worn through right there where it must have snapped. Now I had noticed that the chain drive on the top had been jerking a lot and we've been having some issues with it, but I never went up there to check. Now this is the new part. As you can see, the new part has a couple extra pieces that are here where this one is missing. Now this part I ordered for $25 from Gatehouse Supplies. And as you can see here, we've got the new plastic clip for the bottom. This is a nice smooth mechanism. It also came with some white grease. It's almost like a wax. It's kind of very waxy and it repels dust.
Separation, disconnect all we got now. Break it down, cut it up, it's a cash cow. We all wanna cash in, but the vision within so close we can all drink the medicine. Walk around with no real voices. Dissolution with some real bad choices. Don't know where to begin, but the vision within so close you can smell the adrenaline. You can't divide. You can't divide. Sometimes in life we gotta fight, looking for the truth and wrong and the black and white. Always knowing we're the ones you can stand beside. We're the ones you can't divide. Ones you can't divide. Nothing that makes you cast aside whether you are right or wrong. It's not black or white. Always knowing we're the ones you can stand beside. We're the ones you can't divide. Desperation in effect, break it down now. Blue collar with a name and a face now. Underneath the skin, nowhere to begin. You better do what you're told like a gentleman. Backed up on the edge, come to life now. Swing for the fence or the face somehow. Don't know where to begin, but the vision within so close you can smell the adrenaline. You can't divide. You can't divide. You can't divide. You can't divide. Sometimes in life we gotta fight, looking for the truth and wrong and the black and white. Always knowing we're the ones you can stand beside. We're the ones you can't divide. Ones you can't divide. Falling back, this great divide. I'm falling, falling, fading fast. I'm on my way to scar my face, to see me.
Hooked up, but I disconnected the garage door from the opener because we don't want to move the whole garage door if it's wrong. Now what I'm going to do is to test it. It always goes to its home position, which is the back position. So right now it's in a little land where I'm not sure where it is right now, and it doesn't know where it is. So we're going to see where it thinks home is. So I hit the button twice real fast. This is what it thinks is the open home position. So as you can see, it is quite a bit away from where it should be. Now that's what it's supposed to look like when the garage door is open. So let's see where the bracket should be. Back here by the light. So we'll mark that with a piece of tape. Now we get to take the chain back off again and redo this whole process. We've got it so that it's closing properly. I spun the downward dial a bunch to try to get it within range. It was obviously going way too far down. So now we're set at a spot where it looks like it stops good 3 inches off the floor. So I'm gonna do 2 turns. No, maybe just 1. 1.5 turns down. Alright, so 1.5 gave me about 1.5 inches. So it might go by inches, so let's try that. Oh yeah, I think another half turn. Okay, so there's an overtemp sensor in the garage door opener. So when I was doing my adjustments, running the crap out of it, it overheated. So now it's not running. So I gotta give it about an hour, let it cool down, then I'll come back and do some more adjustments. Till then, just remember a couple things about working on your garage door. Always assume it's gone to the home position, because adjusting the chain back and forth is no fun. You know, let it rest a little bit between runnings so that you can keep it cool. You don't have to sit here and waste your time waiting an hour or two while it cools down.